Good morning students, 6th standard science, physics and chemistry. Unit 2, force and motion. What is force? The external agency push or pull is called force. What is motion? The push or pull or both are involved when there is a motion. Okay. Students, today we see the topic periodic and non-periodic motion. First we see periodic motion. Okay. Students, here we see what is this? It is a bouncing ball. Okay, bouncing ball. It bounces a certain number of times for a given time interval. Okay, for a given time interval. Okay, students, here what is this? It is a simple pendulum. It is a simple pendulum. Okay, here the barbs move to and fro motion in equal interval of time. Okay students? Okay. Then here we see water waves. Water waves. Okay. In a given period, a fixed number of waves. A fixed number of waves hit the shore. Hit the shore. Okay students? Hit the shore. Students, from these examples, what did you learn? The motion repeated in equal interval of time is called as periodic motion. Motion repeated in equal intervals of time. Okay, students? Okay. Students, then we see non-periodic motion. Okay. Students, here we see what is this? It is a normal plant. Okay. Here sapling swing in wind. Okay, sapling swing in wind. Sapling means young tree. Okay, sapling means young tree. Young tree swing in wind. Okay students, this young tree, this plant swing in the wind. Okay, then here see what is this? It is a normal coconut tree. Okay, here we see swaying of the branches of a tree. Swaying of the branches of a tree. Okay, what is swaying? Swaying, to move slowly, from side to side. Okay students, so from these examples we learn what? The motion is not in equal interval of time. The motion is not in equal interval of time is called as non-periodic motion. Okay students. Next we see the topic fast vs slow. Fast vs slow. Here we see comparing to walking, cycling is fast. Very good. But a bus is faster. A bus is faster than cycle. Bus is faster than cycle. Okay. Here we see what is this? Aeroplane. Okay. Aeroplane is much faster than a bus. Okay. Students, from these we know slow. Students, from these we know slow or fast is a relative concept. Slow or fast is a relative concept which depends upon the motions we were comparing. Okay, slow and fast is a relative concept. Okay students, depends upon the motions we are comparing. Okay, comparing. Students, see this picture. Here the taxi driver say I have traveled 160 km in 2 hours. Okay, but the bus driver say I have traveled 200 km in 4 hours. Okay, 4 hours. Here truck driver, he say I have traveled 300 kilometer in 5 hours. Okay, can you say who traveled with highest speed? Students, we calculate how long they traveled in 1 hour. Okay, first here we see distance traveled by the car in 1 hour. Okay, in 1 hour, so we divide 160 kilometer by 2. Okay, we get 1 2 are 2, 8, 8 2 are 16 into 0, so we get 80 kilometer. Okay students, then distance traveled by the bus in 1 hour is equal to 200. He say what? 200 kilometer in 4 hours. Okay, so 200 divided by, students, here we calculate second one, distance traveled by the bus in 1 hour. So we calculate 200 divided by 4, 1 4s are 4, 5 4s are 20. So we get 50 kilometer. Distance traveled by the truck in 1 hour. So we get 300 divided by 5. He say 300 kilometer in 5 hours. Okay, so for 300 divided by 5, cut it 6. 3 5s are 30. So 6 5s are 30. So 6 into here was 0. So we get 60. Distance traveled by the truck in 1 hour is equal to 60 kilometer. So finally, how you found out who is fast? Car. Okay, who is slow? Bus. Okay students. Okay students, next we see the topic speed. Okay, what is speed? The distance traveled by an object in unit time. The distance traveled by an object in unit time is called a speed. Okay, speed. So we write the expression speed is equal to distance traveled by time taken. We get distance traveled d and time taken t. Okay, so the speed s equal to d by t. Speed s equal to distance by time, s equal to d by t. The unit of speed is equal to meter per second or kilometer per hour. Okay students, first we want to see formula problem. If an object travel 10 meter in 2 seconds, okay, then its speed is given as speed is equal to distance travel by time. It is a formula. Okay, s equal to d by t. Here distance traveled 10 meter, so we put 10 meter divided by in 2 seconds, time 2 seconds, 2 seconds. So we cut 1 2s are 2, 5 2s are 10. So we get 5 meter per second. Okay students. Another one problem. A bus takes 3 hours to cover a distance 180 kilometers. Then its speed. Speed is equal to distance by time 180 kilometers divided by yes 3 hours. Time taken 3 hours. So we cut 3, 186 into 0, 60 kilometer per hour. Okay students, we have speed. Students, here we see we denote the distance in meter and time by second. Then the unit of speed is meter per second. Okay students, but we denote the distance in kilometer, time is hour, we get the unit kilometer per hour. Okay students, the speed is equal to distance by time. This formula and this expression is also written as, here we see distance traveled d is equal to speed into time. Okay, in another one formula we take time taken t is equal to distance by second. Okay, in this formula we take another two formulas, we get distance is equal to speed into time, and time is equal to distance by second. Okay student, distance by speed. Okay, Distance is equal to speed into time, and distance time is equal to distance by speed. Okay, students, here we see one problem. If a ship traveled at a speed of 50 kilometer per hour, and it sailed for 5 hours, how much distance it has traveled? We know the formula distance is equal to speed into time. We know here speed of 50 kilometer per hour. 50 kilometer per hour into 5 hours. So we get 50 into 5 is equal to 250. So we get 250 kilometer. Okay, students. Then here we see another one problem. Suppose a bus travel at a speed 50 kilometer per hour and has to cover a distance 300 kilometer. How much time will it take? Time is equal to distance by speed. So 300 kilometer distance, here it is a speed 50 kilometer per hour. We get cut that 0 cut 5 6 5s are 30. So we get 6 hours. It is a time. Okay. Thank you, students.